A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my YouTube family. Welcome to Yasmeen's family. I want to thank the Almighty Allah who has blessed me and you the gift of life. Yeah, we have a lot of brothers and sisters in the hospital suffering with terrible diseases. If you are still alive and kicking, my dear, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, glory be to Allah and praise belongs to the Almighty Allah. Dear viewers and my returning subscribers, I'm so thankful from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I'm so thankful from the bottom of my heart. May Allah the Almighty bless you, my people. Yeah, today in Mama Yasmeen's kitchen we are going to prepare oats. I'm going to show you how we prepare oats and powder milk. Water in the saucepan. We have oats and powder milk. We are going to start with cooking our water, inshallah. So we have our water. We have our water here in our cup. We have to mix oats. The cup is small that we are mixing. This is our hot water. Yeah, we have to pour in our oats. Now this is our same cup we used to mix our oats. Yeah, it is instant milk, but you can add it in your porridge when you are still cooking. No problem with it. Yeah, we are still cooking our oats. We are still cooking our oats. Yeah. So dear viewers and my returning subscribers, it's me, Mama Yasmeen, behind the camera. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for supporting me. If you are new here, kindly subscribe on my channel. Support your mom, your aunt, your grandmother, your sister, your friend from East Africa. Yeah, subscribe on my channel, watch my old videos. We have amazing content. So see you in the next video. Our oats is ready, as you see. Yeah, you can add in sugar. You can add in sugar, inshallah. But for now, yeah, it's ready, as you see. It's oats and milk. Oats and milk. Dear viewers and my returning subscribers, see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.